There's a party going on in little New Plymouth that might just last a while. Just announced all of the nearly 500 employees of Idaho-based Truckstop.com will receive a bonus equal to their annual paycheck. That's reason to celebrate. Check out the moment when the company's CEO made the announcement.
Everyone that was here on April 1st will get a bonus, and that bonus will be the equivalent of 1 year's salary.
Completely blown away. That's how one Truckstop.com employee reacted to the unexpected news of a year's salary bonus check for everyone. And it's because of a significant investment made by Silicon Valley private equity firm Iconics, a firm whose many investors include Facebook founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Iconic now owns a majority share of the Idaho Company, which is an online service that manages carriers and brokers. Basically, those who move loads and those who need those loads moved. It's a shot in the arm for the Idaho-based company that was born in New Plymouth and said they will remain there.
Right now, I think it's just relief. Relief that we've got the new investors on board, that we've been able to reward the employees, that the business is now poised for its next big launch forward.
We're so excited. You know, we're going to be hiring more developers, and we're going to be able to really deliver the better way for our carriers.
More products, more sales means we can hire more employees and we can make more of a difference in the industry.
Truckstop.com was founded in 1995 as a tech company designed to streamline the trucking industry.